Mga magulang, ninong at ninang, sumasampalataya pa kayo sa Diyos amang makapangyarihan sa lahat na may gawa ng langit at lupa? Sumasampalataya din ba kayo kay Yesu Cristo na isang anak ng Diyos na Panginoon nating lahat?
Big picture in a small frame. Everything is sacred when you take time to notice. Big love happens in the small moments. Big love.
Welcome to the Christian world, Amli!
Maging successful yung paglaki niya at maiwasan yung sakit.
Amli, be a good girl and put God first to your life.
And chasing nickels and dimes, nickels and dimes. Riches all around you. Open your eyes, open your eyes.
Welcome to the Christian world, Amli.
Peace, your afters.
Wish you good well. I love you, Amli.
Big magic in the mundane. The big picture in a small frame. Everything.
Welcome to the Christian world, Amli. We love you. Be a good girl.
Small moments. Big love happens in the small moments.
Welcome to Christian World, Amli. Wish ko sana dagol yang magana ka, mapanyimba, nakakarimpe nga rin at dagol yang masalese.
Feel the sun on your face. Bare feet on the ground. I know you'll see beauty.
Welcome to the Christian world, Amli. I wish you a good health,
Maging mabait.
maging mabait, and
Sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo paglaki mo.
paglaki mo.
Nandito lang kami.
Yes,
Sa'yo.
andito si Ninong Joel.
Tsaka
Ninong.
Si Ninong tsaka si Tito.
Oo.
At the same time.
Small frame. Everything is sacred when you take time to notice the big magic in the mundane. The big picture in a small frame. Everything is sacred when you take time to notice. Big love happens in the small moments. Big love happens in the small moments.
Amli, binibigyan ng kita ng ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, ng Espiritu Santo.
Big magic in the